Silvia, where are you from and what do you do?
Hi, everybody. Well, currently live in the UK, in Exeter, and but I'm originally from Milan, so originally Italian, but also British citizen. I would define myself as being a portfolio career holder, specifically in the areas of digital training and coaching, or startup coaching and project management.
Okay, so tell us a bit more about what you do. You play
Sure.
in different industries. So what are they?
Yeah, I left one out, by the way, which is actually cultural consultations as well. What I do is that my week never looks the same. I work for different companies or different agencies, and depending on the amount of work that they have, they could contract me out for like a year's worth of work, or a couple of days a week, or they could give me work by the hours, or by project, or by just delivery. And this is what I do. So specifically when it comes to coaching, I work for the Google Digital Garage, for instance, via an agency, which is called Upscale Digital. And they just literally allocate work as and when it comes in. And they have a platform, so we communicate via platform. I receive the job, accept it or reject it depending on my availability. And then once I accept it, I just have to deliver. Obviously, I receive training on all of the slide decks that we're using and the content that I have to deliver. And it's based on specialisms that I have in the areas of digital marketing. When it comes to cultural consultations and transcreation work, it works pretty much the same, just via email. They ask me for availability for a consultation project. They send it over, they give me a deadline, I have to work by the deadline. Doesn't matter if I work in the day, at night, in the afternoon, providing I meet the deadline, that's all fine. When it comes to project management, probably a little bit more structured, and that's on a contractual basis. So they give me designated days when I should be working, so that they're able to reach out to me if they need to talk to me, and obviously all of the partners that we would be working with would also know when to reach out to me and communicate with me.
Okay, so it's kind of broad. I think it's super interesting that your profile as a freelancer is in different industries or completely different sectors. So as I can see that you are a career explorer, why is it important to keep exploring your career when you are a professional?
Well, as a personality trait, I tend to get bored very easily. So that's probably what pushes me into exploring different avenues all the time. I do like diversity and variety, but as everybody can guess, I'm not really like the greenest on the floor. So it is important when you reach a certain age to become as flexible as possible in order to be able to understand and adapt to the needs of the market. The market needs are constantly changing, companies' needs are constantly changing, and if we were to sort of like freeze into roles that we were holding, say even like 10 years ago, then we wouldn't be able to adapt and become hireable, really, employable.